What's going on, everybody? Welcome back. In this video, I made a wood bowl on my lathe. And here I am in the backyard just cutting the piece of wood in half. I believe the wood is Osage Orange. I've never used it before, but I'm pretty sure that's what it is. Very neat wood. Loved making this bowl. And it has a yellow color to it. And here I'm just, I believe the bowl's about 9.5 inches, so I'm just making the circle there so I can find the center. And here I'm just cutting the corners off to make it more round. It's way easier to make a bowl when the piece of wood is as round as you can get it when you put it on the lathe. Here I'm just putting the faceplate on, ready to turn it. Here I'm just shaping the bowl. I took it easy. There's a lot of neat character and notches on it, and I didn't want to mess it up and get a catch, so I just kind of took it easy. Same thing with hollowing the bowl out. And there's the final shape. Very neat notches. Some cracks in it, but I just left them. Usually I'll fill them with super glue or something, but I just decided to leave them. Here I'm just hollowing it out and just taking my time with it. And that's what it looks like. All finished, sanded up. There's a close-up of the character in the wood. Here I'm just taking the tenon down. I left a little bit of a foot on there. And here I'm just adding some mineral oil and beeswax. I think the wood was pretty dry. I didn't turn this twice, so it may warp a little bit, but that's okay. And there it is. Leave a comment below. Let me know what you think. Thanks so much for watching. Really appreciate it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Have a great day.